this thing on? What's going on, everybody? Feder here from 3D Print SOS. Welcome back to the channel, and I just wanted to take this second to wish you all an awesome upcoming 2024. Have a happy new year, and I think 24 is going to be an unbelievable year in 3D printing. 23 has been so fast-paced with everything that's coming out and has come out, and it's just going to continue going on, and hopefully I will be right here showcasing some of that fun to you guys, as well as doing some really fun projects that I have planned for this upcoming year. Also, to celebrate two things: new camera, so you're going to be seeing this in beautiful 4K. That's going to be amazing. I'm sure you guys have all wanted that. Anyway, I also launched a new store at shop@3dprintsos.com. I also attached it to this YouTube channel, so if you go down below, there's going to be a link in the description, but also on my channel, there is a shop button where you will see the merchandise there as well. I'm going to have mugs and lots of shirts. I have a lot more coming. This one is available. I know a lot of you guys will agree with me on this one. We also have, although the colorway is a little bit different from my sample here, we have Feder's 3D printed spaghetti that you can pick up. We also have the classic logo tee in both black and blue. There's also hoodies and some really fun mugs, and like I said, I'm working on a bunch of original art and designs for the store, so I'm going to continue going with that, and I'm really enjoying this new store. The previous one was extremely expensive. I think only a handful of people have bought from there over the years that I've had it, so I realized it was really expensive, but a week ago I discovered this new store, and now the pricing has come down tremendously, with shirts going from $26 and $28 to $16 and $18, which is obviously tremendous. And what's even better is that the shirts are not only the same quality, they're literally the same t-shirt. So I'm really happy with them, and I'm really excited to showcase the store and get you guys in there buying cool stuff. Because this way, if you wanted to support the channel, you can also get yourself something in return, and I think that's pretty rad. All right, guys, happy New Year. Be safe, be happy, and well, I'll see you guys in the comments. Later.